In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin a conversation in ChatGPT. Pinning a conversation is a simple way to keep your most important chats right where you can see them, so you're not scrolling through a long list every time you come back. This is especially helpful if you revisit the same thread for ongoing projects, research, or reminders. First, look at the left sidebar, where all your recent conversations are listed. Take a moment to locate the conversation you want to keep handy. The title is usually generated from the first message in that chat, or it might be a custom title you gave it earlier. If you're managing a lot of threads, scanning for a keyword in the title can help you spot it faster. Next, move your mouse pointer over that conversation in the sidebar and pause there. This hover action reveals additional controls you won't see by default. If nothing appears right away, try hovering a little more precisely over the conversation title or the empty space to its right. You should see a small three-dot icon show up, often called the More Options menu or an ellipsis. Click that three-dot icon. A small menu will open with a few options related to that conversation. From this menu, select Pin. The moment you click Pin, the conversation will be marked as important and move to a prominent spot near the top of your list, typically under a clearly labeled Pinned section. You may also see a small pin icon next to the title, confirming that it's now pinned. That's all there is to it. You've kept your essential conversation just a glance away. If the menu doesn't appear the first time, hover again slowly or make sure your window isn't zoomed so far in that the icon is pushed off screen. Clicking carefully on the three dots, rather than the title itself, helps avoid opening the chat when you're just trying to pin it. A quick note on what to expect after pinning. Pinned conversations remain easy to find every time you open ChatGPT, and they'll typically stay at the top so you can jump right back into your work. You can pin more than one conversation, and each will collect in the pinned area, making your most used threads consistently accessible. And that's it. Find the conversation on the left, hover, click the three dots, and choose Pin. Simple, fast, and incredibly useful for staying organized.